Okay, I'm going to look at number 12 in section 3.2, and this one a little problematic about the way that they want you to enter the answer. We're going to calculate the derivative of the function h of t is 5 root t minus 6 divided by root t. Keep in mind that the independent variable here is t and not x. So to find the derivative, first of all, I want to make a couple notes. Square root of t is the same as t to the 1/2 power. Excuse me, and 1 divided by t to the n is t to the negative n. So 1 over the square root of t would be t to the negative 1/2 power. So I'm just going to rewrite it this way, because again, when I calculate the derivative, I'm not going to use the limit definition here because they don't tell me to. I'm going to use the derivative rules. So I'm going to use the constant multiple rule, sum rule, difference rule here. I take the derivative of each one and then subtract them. When I take the derivative of this one, the constant multiple rule, I'm going to pull that 5 out, and then t to the 1/2 is power rule. I bring the 1/2 down. T, subtract 1 from 1/2, I get negative 1/2. The derivative of this, I pull the 6 out, constant multiple. T to the negative 1/2, I bring the negative 1/2 down. Subtract 1 or 2/2 from negative 1/2 gives me negative 3/2. Cleaning it up, I get 5/2. T to the negative 1/2. Negative times negative is positive. 6 times 1/2 is 3. And then they want you to write it in fraction form. And so t to the negative 1/2 is 1 over t to the 1/2. And t to the negative 3/2 is 1 divided by t to the 3/2. So cleaning that up, I get this. Now, for me, if you give me this answer, I'm very happy. This is good. All right. No negative exponents, for instance, right? But what they seem to want to do is, of course, t to the 1/2. If you write as a square root of t, I'm fine with that. But I really don't want you to do this for me, but this is what Achieve wants you to do. T to the 3/2 power, right, is t times t to the 1/2, because, right, this is t to the first power, really, right, times t to the 1/2. Remember what we do with the exponents? When we're multiplying like basis, we add them. That's the rule of exponents, right? So 1 plus 1/2, 2/2 plus 1/2 is 3/2. So in other words, t to the 1/2 is square root of t. So they want you to write t to the 3/2 power as t times root t, which looks like that. So this is what Achieve wants. So we'll just say this is Achieve, and this is me. So I'm happy with there. I mean, you could write it like this if you want to, but you can stop right there for me. Okay. So again, read carefully how Achieve wants things entered. And if you're having trouble with, entering in the correct response, please let me know.